How you do? Edward Tyndall here.
Sarah Tyndall. We're getting ready to do an unboxing.
What kind of unboxing?
Unboxing from someone special from us, named Grandma.
This will be Grandma unboxing number 3. Where's battery's dad? Keep meaning to take these batteries out, but I don't. Okay. Can't see. Wow. The elf on the shelf. Christmas edition. The elf story. Elf's pets. Can't see it. Can't see that one either. Yep. Yep. Can't see that one either. Different little elf clues.
And that is it.
Cool.
Have a great day, guys.
Yep. This will be a secret video, I guess, huh?
Shh.
Yeah, secret video. Elf on the shelf. Alright.
Like, just tell your friends.
Yep. Just like, subscribe, and tell your friends. Peace, love, and happiness, and all that good stuff. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry, merry. Oh, ho, 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 ho.